Hi, welcome to this short video. Today we're going to be working on core stability. I'm going to take you through a quick exercise helping to train this whilst we start to layer other exercises on top of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down to our backs. The idea of this exercise is to build and condition the core whilst we add extra complexity into the movements. So for this exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to come onto our backs. We're going to gently tuck the chin in towards the throat. I'm going to scoot my shoulders underneath so I feel like I lift my chest. And here, I might feel like my back or my ribs are slightly flaring, my back's slightly arching. And it's okay to have this arch in the back. I'm going to take a full breath in. I'm going to breathe out, and I'm going to breathe my ribs down towards my pelvis. So I'm closing this gap here. Then from here, I'm going to take my hands, extend the fingers, inhale again, and breathing out and starting to engage from the core. I'm going to come into this set position. I'm going to keep extending my fingers forwards beyond the end of the mat. I'm trying to touch the wall that's ahead of me, and I'm going to hold here. The idea is I'm going to start to train this position whilst my core's engaged, whilst maintaining the breath. So in this case, I'm able to talk to you guys. But if we're not talking, I'm focusing on that inhale and the exhale without losing the integrity of the core. We're going to hold here between 30 to 60 seconds. We've got another 30 seconds to go. And in this position, we can start to add other movements to add more complexity and a little bit more challenge to the core. So we're just marching through the feet. The whole time the core stays set. We're going to hold for another 10. We can march through or we can be still. We go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. As you come down, keep the integrity of the core. We slowly lower back to our final position. We come back onto our sides and then back up to seated. If you found this helpful, you can find more videos which break this down, and they're part of a half-hour, 6-week core challenge. Thank you.